Hi, good morning and good evening to everyone. Welcome to Mainframe tutorial. So you're watching Mainframe DB2 tutorial of session 3. So in this video, I would like to talk something about DDL command just for 2 minutes. So since we are in the beginning stage, so just I wanted to go slow. So working with DDL commands. So as we know that we have 3 DDL commands like create, alter and drop. So in a simple way, how do we create the table? So we create the table using the create table, and which is having with the table name and followed by the field name and the data type we use. The same way, this is the example which shows of creating an employee table which is having employee number as a data field, and this is the data type which is of integer. In the same way, employee name with a data field as varchar using of 10 bytes. So how to create a table using a simple COBOL batch programs. So every SQL command should start with exec SQL and it should end with end exec. So this is very important when you write a COBOL batch program, when you want to call any SQL queries. So it should always start with exec SQL and it should end with end exec. So to give a simple introduction, so to create the table, so exec SQL create table, which should be the table name followed by the field data type and an exec. So that's simple, right? In the same way, to alter the table, exec SQL alter table emp and add emp phone number int. In the same way, to drop, so exec SQL drop table emp and exec. So these are the simple statements or the simple queries for the under DDL commands. So what happens when exec SQL or end exec is seen by during the compilation? What does it is? What it will do is it will convert all the statements, whatever the statements is found between this create SQL queries, it converts it to the COBOL call statements and it will get executed. So in my next video I will be showing a complete programs and various steps that needs to be taken care when you're working with the COBOL DB2. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great and great evening or morning or night. Have a pleasure day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to come up, if you want to get an email alerts, or if you want to get an emails whenever I get posted, kindly feel free to subscribe me on YouTube channel, and please give a comment or share. Thank you so much.